guys, so again today we have a new vlog regarding microphone, best microphone for your vlog. So again guys, last time we did best camera for vlogging. So today we will make another vlog, best microphone for vlogging. Again, we will make a categorize. We will check what camera you will use or what device you will use for your vlogging. And again guys, so we have here all the microphones on my area at the back. So we will give you all the types of microphone that we have. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography, videography, and my personal sneakers. So again guys, so again, first, before you choose or select what kind of microphone that you want to purchase, first you need to consider these things. Again, first, what kind of camera you will use or what kind of the device you will use. And second, you need to consider how you will shoot on your video. So what kind of video you will shoot, what kind of scenario. And yan, again, the best scenario of your shoot. And the last is the location. So you will shoot indoor or outdoor or different scenario of the location. So again guys, we will check this scenario and we will make a category again of the microphone, so at least you will understand different types of microphone and how you're gonna use this microphone on each scenario. So again guys, let's start. Okay guys, so again, first let's check the types of microphone. First, there is microphone that it's USB type. So if you are more into live stream, or if you use your laptop, PC, or yes, any device which is USB-C type for your vlog, like streamers or gamers, so this type of microphone is good for you. And again, we have also, they call the lavalier microphone, which is currently I'm using this kind of microphone. And again, we have also a shotgun microphone. So again, we will show you what kind of different scenario on this microphone. And the last is a smartphone microphone. So again, in smartphone microphone, there's a lot of tons of microphone that we have also here and even in the market. So but I will show you some of the microphones that are available. And yes, I think we're gonna start it now. So we will start from lab microphone o lavalier microphone. Dati ko to lab o lavalier o ano pa ibang tawag dito, nick mic. So okay guys, so let's start. First, from cheapest, we have here the BOYA BYM1. So ayan, hirapan siya mag-focus, di ba? Okay lang yan guys, but BOYA BYM1 kasi ano natin din, okay na. Yes, first the BOYA BYM1. It's the cheapest microphone from lavalier type. So yan. And again guys, they have also the BOYA BYM1 Pro. Ito yung bago na version of this. It's already with the headphone mic. Yun lang ang kinaba niya. So again, maybe more. So hindi ko na isa-isahin ang specs. Maybe we will put in the what you call this one, in the screen, the specs. And we have also here, from lowest to highest, we have the BOYA BYWM8 Pro K1. Yan. And we have also here the Blink 500 B1, which is currently we're using now on my vlog. It's always because I own this one guys. It's very nice. So ayan, Blink 500 B1 and the wireless Go. So yan guys, this is all a lavalier microphone now that I can recommend you for your vlogging using your DSLR camera or any mirrorless camera or any camera which is a 3.5 input jack. So again guys, lavalier microphone. And for the next category guys, we have the USB type of microphone. So if you are live streamer or gamers or any type of vlogging that you will use your PC or your computer, then this microphone is good for you guys. It's USB type microphone. So first, we'll go from cheapest to the expensive one. So first we have here the BOYA BYM3. So it's a USB-C type. So for Mac guys. It's a USB-C type of microphone. Ayan, pakita natin. So, ayan. Okay lang, ibiro na ako ba. Then, we have also here the Saramonic SR UL-M10L. So, ayan. It's a USB type of microphone again, guys, for your PC and your any laptop, guys. So, again, we have also here the MARRANTZ 4U. Yes, MARRANTZ 4U is again, it's a USB computer microphone type. So, ayan, pakita natin, video ko na lang yung mga microphone, yung mismong mic. Then, we have also the NT-USB Mini. Ayan, diba? Astig to, guys. NT-USB Mini. So, it's a USB-A to USB-C. So, USB-C siya, ang pinaka-output is USB-A. So, any PC or any laptop. And we have also here the the BOYA BYPM 700. Actually, there's two types of this, the 700 and the BYPM 700S in silver. Yes. And the last one, guys, of course, ang ating Rode NT-USB. Yan, di ba? So, this is all the microphone that use NT USB. So, USB type. So, if you are into a live stream or gaming, so this is one of the best microphone that you can use, guys. So, ayan. And for the next category, we have the shotgun microphone, which is the one you will put in your DSLR or mirrorless camera. So, let's start, guys. First, we have the very popular one, the BOYA BYMM1. So, ayan siya, guys, diba? Napaka-popular nitong microphone. Actually, si Derek, meron siyang ganito. He owned this one. And we have also the BOYA BYBM3011. So, ayan. Shotgun microphone. Compare for these two, I think this microphone, the BM3011, you need a AA or AAA battery. But this one, you don't need a battery. AAA battery, guys, for the BYBM3011. And the next one, of course, we have here, guys, cheapest one, the Saramonic. Meron pa tayo isang Saramonic. This one, guys. The Saramonic VMIC Mini. So, yes. This is the VMIC Mini. So, it's comparable between the BYMM1. This one, guys, for the size. And we have also here the Saramonic CAMMIC Plus. So I did a review on this microphone. I compared together with the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, guys. And we have also here the Rode VideoMicro. So it's also a very popular microphone for vlogging, especially for DSLR user and mirrorless user. Excuse me. And the last one, of course, we have the Rode VideoMic Go. Yeah, so eto siya, guys. These are the most not cheapest, but this is one of the affordable microphones that you can check in the market, guys. Again, shotgun microphone, guys. And for the next category, guys, we gonna tackle the smartphone user or smartphone microphone. So again, guys, for smartphone, you need to check or you need to consider the input of your microphone in your mobile. There is 3.5, there is USB-C, and there is Lightning for your iOS device. So again, first we're gonna go for the 3.5 jack. So most of the smartphone. So again, this is the 3.5 jack microphone that's good for your smartphone. First, we have the BOYA BYM1. So you can use for smartphone and you can use for your DSLR camera. That's why this is very popular microphone in the market. And of course, we have the BOYA BYM1 Pro. So if you want to monitor your sound quality of your microphone, of your video, of course, then the Pro is a better one compared for the first version because you have a headphone jack on the Pro. So, yan, guys. And we have also here the VLab DEITY. Yeah, di ba? Check niyo yung vlog ni Brian Puntanar. He did a review. Yan, hulog pa. He did a review for the DEITY VLab. And we have also here, of course, the Rode. Hindi nagpapahuli guys. We have the SmartLab Plus from Rode microphone. So this is microphones good for your mobile using the 3.5 jack input. So for the next, we will check the USB-C guys. And again guys, for Android device or the USB-C type microphone for your smartphone. So again, first we have here the BOYA BYM3. Again guys, it's a USB-C type, so it's direct from your mobile USB-C. And even for your laptop or not laptop, iMac, I think it's USB-C also, Thunderbolt. So, ayun nga guys, so again, we have also the BOYA DM2. BOYA DM2. So, ang daming microphone from the BOYA. And we have also here, from BOYA again, is BOYA BY-DM10UC. Actually, you have two selection of this. Is a USB-C or USB-A. So, you have two wire inside the box. And we have also here guys, the BOYA BY-DM20. Yan. So BY-DM20, you have your USB-C, USB-A, and Lightning. So yeah, for not only for Android, also for iOS. So that's why I put in the category. And we have also here the BOYA BY-WM Pro K5. It's a wireless microphone and it's a USB-C type, so it's good for your Android device. And again, or even for your Mac, it's USB-C. And again guys, the last one is the Blink 500 B5. Yeah, it's also a USB-C device or USB-C output. So again guys, this is the smartphone that you can connect for your USB-C. So again, for the next one, for the last one, for smartphone, we have 4 lightnings. And for the last category for smartphone is the lightning or lightnings for iOS device. So again, or for iPhone. Again guys, first we go for the cheapest one. Again, for the BOYA, we have BOYA BYM2. Yan. Ito yung pinaka least for lightning. And we have also here the Saramonic Lab Micro U1C. Yan, ito guys. So it's a lavalier microphone again for your iPhone or iOS device. And again, we have the BOYA BY-DM20. So again guys, you have already the USB-C, USB-A, and for the last one, you have the lightnings. Yan. All in one na yan guys. And we have also here the Saramonic Blink 500 B3. So ayan, Saramonic Blink 500 B3, similar again with my microphone, but it's direct. Instead 3.5, you have your receiver, which is the lighting already, so it's direct from your mobile. And of course, we have the WM4 Pro K3, which is for the BOYA. Currently we don't have the stock now, it's out of stock, but I will put in the screen guys. So again guys, those are the 5 microphones that good for your lightnings with a good price guys. So again, for the last one guys, we have for action camera. I will show you for the Osmo Pocket and Osmo Action. And for the last one guys, again for your action camera. For example, we have here, actually we did a vlogging for camera. We include the Osmo Action and the Osmo Pocket. Again guys, if you want to use a microphone on that camera, on those camera, we have here, for example, the BOYA BYM3 OP for the Osmo Pocket. And again guys, we have also the adapter for BOYA for the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is the 3.5mm jack to use your 3.5 micro. And for the last one guys, we have also here from your Osmo Action, which is the Sinova Osmo Action Dual 3.5 jack USB-C adapter. So ito siya. And again guys, if you have a GoPro and if you have Insta360, they have also their adapter to use, similar with this guys, 3.5, to use your 3.5 microphone. Again, yeah, microphone. So again guys, I think that's it for today. This is all the microphones that you must consider before you buy or you purchase for your microphone. And again guys, so that's it for today. So ayan, this is all the microphones that we have here in AAB World. So again, if you want to know the price, the microphone itself, then you can go to, or you can check to our website www.aabworld.com, and you can check the microphone area. So all the microphone there, all the model that we have, it's already in the website. So again, if you want to check again all the microphones, then visit our online. And if you want to receive a notification regarding our new products from AAB World, or new events or daily offers, check, you can sign up to our newsletter, so at least you'll be updated sa lahat ng namin sa AAB World. So again, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.